This digital marketing industry is basically, if you ask me, what is that digital marketing? It's all about advertising your products, services, business through digital platform. So how this particular sector going to help you in your career? If you ask me that thing, this particular sector has a great opportunity because this particular industry has will known as a fresher industry. Mostly the job is going to be created into there are the segments like SEO, social media, Google Ads, search engine marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing. So what I think is like most of the openings which is going to become in the future segment is basically for SEOs and as well as affiliate marketing, which I have to say, like those are the places where the most of the openings and the most of the requirements will be going to be arrived. So other than that, there is a ad segment is there where like social media advertisement all segment is there where people will get more job focus section. Skills which are going to be very effective in the future, that is the short SEO as well as affiliate marketing. These are the skills which is like high demand, and it's going to be very unique because these things require very specific experience and very specific skill to develop. So other than that, content writing will be also one of the effective section where more skilled people required, and these are the some basically I think in that particular segment a requirement will be there. Other than that, social media marketing, ads, advertisements, people doing advertisement, all those skills will be also important. If you ask me about career path, you can start with like any different segment like SEO or email marketing, affiliate marketing, social media, or ads, search engine marketing. These are the some segment where you can start your career with. And once you start your career as a junior SEO analyst, then you will get into senior SEO analyst, then you get into the SEO lead, and then you get into the like more advanced position. So that will be the like targeting sections where each particular post will be going to be. The common challenges of this particular industry is this industry is bombarded with the information. Okay, so what to learn, what not to learn is the basic struggle for you. So as a new employee, we all are new to the market and we just wanted to perform best. So we will go through the all the resources possible to get and perform on our job. You need to understand that you need to have a right skill, you need to develop a right skill, and for that you can go to a right place to develop those skill. If you are done in the right way, you can go and execute that and rely on the only on reliable sources, because this particular plate section, after running a small ad, people pretend themselves to be as an expert. You just go to YouTube, most of the experts like these are there, so you don't believe all those things. You only go with the right kind of resources which is actually trustworthy, and this is like worthy to you to go and look into that. Some of the things like SEO is take times to show the result. So as a junior analyst, when you get into this particular section and when you work 1 month 2 month and you don't see the result, you get depressed. But you need to be understand that you need to be very confident, because some of the time it takes time to get the result, and you don't need to be like get depressed or get leave very soon whatever things you are doing. So keep on doing and keep on increasing your knowledge.